Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth again. Welcome back to my vlog. And today I'm gonna cook a bread pudding. It's requested by Wilfred Texon. Okay, let's get started. 2 evaporated milk and 1 condensed milk and resin 100 grams, and I have 1 loaf of bread. I need to chop this, and then white sugar, 1 cup of sugar. I will make 2 batch of bread pudding, so I need to separate in each bowl the 3 eggs, and I have 3 eggs here in the bowl. Okay, you need to whip the eggs. I just separate the bowl because I don't have a bigger bowl to mix, so I just mix it together. One-third cup of sugar. I didn't put a lot because it's already condensed milk is already. And a little bit salt, just a little bit. To put 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can here, half cup of condensed milk here, half of can. So I just separate. I just divided the 1 can. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I like the vanilla though. I don't want to put too much. Then you need to mix everything. Water. So it's time to put the bread. Soak it. We'll soak it for 15 minutes. I add the cinnamon powder. I need to add the resin and to mix it. For 15 minutes. Time to put here. A little bit. put this in the oven for 1 hour. I'm gonna check the bread pudding. That looks good now. I can put the butter. Looks good. I can put the butter. It's good. I put the butter now, and then I need to wait for a few minutes and it will be done. Now the bread pudding is done. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad that you're watching my channel, and I appreciate it. To all my supporters, thank you so much. And please don't forget to hit subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So this is it. This is my bread pudding. Now it's time to eat.